So now in addition to these formulas, we have two more or maybe three more, which is first of all power, which is equal to V into I, and then heat, which is Vi into T. We derive other formulas using these two only, right? Now what we haven't discussed now is the SI unit of power. Let's talk about SI unit of heat first. Heat is a form of energy. Energy is always measured in joules. So it is 1 joule only, and it will be 1 volt into ampere into second, right? Including all these units. Or in other terms, if you change the formula according to I square RT, so formula would change ampere square into T, but you don't have to remember all those things. You have to remember only one thing, that SI unit of heat is joules, right? Which we already know. But for powers, the SI unit is watts. It is again coined on the name of the scientist, watt, and 1 watt is equal to 1 volt into 1 ampere. Okay.